Air fryer turning on.
Air fryer.
Inverter's on. So we just tripped the battery protection, and the charge controller, solar charge controller, is giving us error B-01, which means it's not detecting a battery because the batteries are over discharged. So the battery management system is kicked in on this charge controller. If you hold this battery minus button for 3 seconds, it should jump start the battery. So I'll press it now. 1, 2, 3. Try it again. Oh, it just kicked on. So we over discharged last night using the inverter, and using that button we were able to get the solar panels to kickstart the batteries and continue charging them. Here's the solar charge controller user manual for the Rich Solar 40A MPPT, and reading the manual, it'll tell you that it has this capability to jump start the battery. So on page 11 of the manual here under the remarks, this controller provides an override function, force output delivery, for some heavily discharged lead acid batteries or for some LiFe PO4 batteries which are protected by BMS due to over discharge. Press battery /- button for 3 seconds to wake up the lithium battery. So we have the lithium battery. Pressing that battery button for 3 seconds overrode the BMS and allowed the solar charge controller to continue charging the batteries rather than giving the B-01 error code, which means that the battery is disconnected. So when the BMS kicks in, the solar charge controller thinks that there are no batteries connected, and it'll give you this B-01 error code on the LCD display. And so when you see that, but your batteries are connected, you can press that button for 3 seconds to wake up the batteries. Given that you have solar power coming in through the panels, I don't think this will work at night when you're not getting any solar power, but when the solar is available, you can press that to wake up the batteries. So that's what we just did.
And it worked.
Plenty of solar power today.